big man himself, yeah?
That is it, sir.
Take your time.
Yeah, man, we're outside, you know?
That is it,
Step on Project X work side.
Yeah. Yo, me see you have some shirt. But not lie, me never know say I say shirt. Then look at it. Project X. Trust me, man. Yo, when you do the Kingston team, man. Come here, man.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
Me just want say this from the heart. This is my last video about the Colaz Smith and knife ninja situation. Life too short for carry hate, anger, division. Sometimes people grow apart. Sometimes words cut deeper than knives. But me still wish both sides peace, growth and better days ahead. Me pray for protection, wisdom and healing for everybody involved. No bad mind, no war. Just blessings, just blessings. No bad mind, no war. Love and guidance always. Love and guidance always. Yeah. Respect to everybody who watch, supported and share them thoughts. Me see the comments, me hear the voices. Me hold it with an open heart. We all a learn, we all alive. We all a try to do better from here. But me still wish both sides peace, growth and better days ahead. Me pray for protection, wisdom and healing for everybody involved. No bad mind, no war. Just blessings, just blessings. No bad mind, no war. Love and guidance always. Love and guidance always. Love over pride, peace over pressure. Healing over headlines, healing over tension. If we divide, we all lose. If we bless, we are right. Love and guidance always. No bad mind, no war. Just blessings, just blessings. No bad mind, no war. Love and guidance always. Love and guidance always.
Unready. Yo, my people, good morning. What's going on? What a go on? How to do? How to stay? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health, good strength, and not feeling no pain. If you're not feeling no pain, woo, this is a good day. But you don't know if you feel any pain, check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor or make the doctor come at your house. If you have the money. If you're broke and have the money, don't worry yourself. We go get somebody to go over there and carry you to the doctor. Guys, when you do the wellness check, do the wellness check. Check for your friends and family and all those kind of things. Guys, domestic violence, domestic abuse is serious. We need to check for our friends, family, and other people. If today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, man, if today your birthday, happy birthday to you. And may the good Lord keep and bless you. You don't know. Yes. Me come back with blood in the eye. Hey, guys. So, here we know, guys. Me I chat through the YouTube eruption, organization, confusion, everything. And me see a thing, and me stop. Normally me not stop. And me stop, and when me stop, me know, me hear when Knife Ninja, aka Andre, say something about the black face one. The one with one black spot on his face. I mean, I say, hold on a little bit. Me do a video one day with the side of my face. And you can see a spot where, tell you the truth, I don't even know where that spot come from. Because it never did it 4 years ago. But you don't know how you go. The whole of you get your body change. So I say, wait. And me, knife ninja, Henry attack. And him say, you don't know nothing about me. See them I come, see them I come. Henry, knife ninja. Youth, let me say this to you. Me been a hear about you for a while. Me been know about you for a while. Me been know about your dirty style for a while. But I said it's none of my business. Because if it's not out there, I'm not going to be the one who put it out there first. Knife Ninja, you don't know that I know about you. But Knife Ninja, before me even go anywhere in this video, there is a couple things me go talk about. I want you to address them. Me would love if you address them. Knife Ninja, you say that you are very passionate about feeding the people downtown. Yeah? Yeah, man, you say you're very passionate. You say Colaz Smith is not as passionate as you. However, do you remember the night when that old gentleman from downtown call you and ask you for food? He asks you, when are you guys coming? Because he was hungry. He was hungry. He wants something to eat, that whole gentleman. And do you remember what you tell that old man? Do you remember what you told that old man? Now you say you're very passionate. This is what you're very passionate about feeding the people downtown. They're like family to you, just like how Colaz was like your brother. Correct? Okay. When that guy asks you about food and he's hungry, what did you do, Mr. Passionate about downtown people? You say you're so passionate about those people downtown, but you tell this old man that Colaz didn't give you any money to cook any food, so you don't know when you're going to come down there with food. No, this is one individual. This is one man, one person, one man that asks you for something to eat, that asks you about something to eat. One man. But you wasn't going to have any food because Colaz didn't give you any money to buy any food. Now let me say this to you, Mr. Passionate Henry of feeding downtown people. You could have go in your house, bully beef, corned beef, anything you have in there, and make something and give to this older gentleman so that he can go to his bed with something in his belly. You could go in there and cook some food. You don't have no food in your yard. You don't have no food in your yard. It will say, if Colaz no give you money, you can't eat in your yard. No, that's not how it goes. You have food in your house. You could have gone and cooked some food. But no, you're not doing that. If Colaz don't shit, you know want them or you know want the people to eat. Okay. So this is the problem with you. You are not a passionate person about anything. Because if you were passionate, you wouldn't have to wait until Colaz Smith give you money. Oh, you're broke. Oh, you're broke, you don't have no money. Because if the YouTube channel no make no money or Colaz no give you none, you don't have none. So you're not save. Okay, okay, okay. Just like all of us. All of us broke. We not on the money. Some are we not on the money. Away from the people that you always begging and asking for money. Now, Henry, let me say this to you. Whatever I say about somebody in hiding or behind closed door or behind them, I can say it in the open. Because guess what? I am a man. Yeah? I am a man. Now, we're going to have this conversation. You say, me no know nothing about you. Henry, what is the real reason you and Colaz Smith is at war? What is the real reason that you and Colaz Smith is at war? My viewers and subscribers, I want to know, by the way, you reach this far in the video. Yeah, you reach this far in the video. You like the video yet? You thumbs it up yet? Thumbs up the video, man. Take a little time out. Thumbs up the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Come in, man. Make we do the thing, big up the channel, and make we continue this journey. Yeah, guys, make me say this. Guys, make me say this. Let me say this to each and every one of you. The real reason, this is the real reason that Colaz Smith and Nice Ninja is at war. Now, guys, I want to know follow me. I want to know follow me, and I want to know listen to me correctly. You no, hold on. Let me say this first before I tell you the real reason why Henry and Colaz Smith is at war. Colaz Smith is a good youth. I mean, I say this because me I look anything, because me not look nothing from people. Colaz Smith is a good youth and is a genuine youth. Because up till now, Colaz have not said the exact reason why him and Henry, aka Knife Ninja, is at odds. But I am going to tell you the real reason why. It sounds funny, because Colaz not say it, but me know it. Hey, what a whirly. It is very funny because Colaz not say it, but me, that is not a part of the team, is going to say it. Well, you know ready? Henry, aka Knife Ninja. Colaz still respect you, still not have nothing against you. But you and your family have a lot against Colaz Smith. Now listen to this part. Good. To all of the people out there in this world that know that Melissa, that storm that blew through Jamaica, mash up half of Jamaica, was a devastating destruction on the land of Jamaica. I did a GoFundMe to get some money to send to Jamaica. People come out and say, not people, Ram the trucker, make a video and say, people must not give me any money because I'm a thief. Yes, he say me a thief, even though this guy don't know me. Guys, let me say this. Thief? No, it's not in my genes. Thieving is not in my genes. No, no thieving. Me do not thief, steal, or take people things. No, I leave it alone. Yes, if me say me go do something with it, I'm going to do something with it. The only problem is sometimes people don't want them name call or those things. So I get $518. $518. I put money on it and I send $250 each to 5 people in Jamaica. 5 people in a Jamaica. Me want to send more, but me couldn't get the link with no more people. I mean, I just want to send any money, go give anybody. Listen me good now. Melissa come, Colaz Smith started a money GoFundMe and all those things, collecting money. Correct? Colaz Smith collecting money to help people. There was a lot of money coming in. But what did Colaz Smith do to you? Colaz Smith put his trust. Colaz Smith put his trust into you, Knife Ninja. Oh, you say me no know nothing about it. Colaz Smith put his trust into you, Knife Ninja. My viewers, Colaz Smith people, the people who send money to Colaz Smith in Jamaica, the people who send Colaz Smith, guys, I have to do this. The people who send money to Jamaica, to Knife Ninja, on the behalf of Colaz Smith, raise on your hand. Put up on your hand. Raise on your hand. Put up 2 hands. Put up 2 hands. Put up on a foot. Anything you want to put up. The people that send money to Jamaica, to Knife Ninja, on the behalf of Colaz Smith TV, to donate, to buy things, to donate to the Melissa people. You know I hear me? If you know I hear me, say me there, or who know I hear me. Knife Ninja, when you get the money to give to Colaz Smith, what did you do with the money? Me say, what them I go do now? Knife Ninja thief Melissa money. Oh, Knife Ninja, when you get all of that money from the people overseas, and you should give it to Colaz Smith, where did the money go? Where you do with the money? Where you put the money? Where you use the money? As a matter of fact, where you, the couch where you buy put in the house. Hold on. The couch, the brand new couch where you buy, put in the house. And where you get that money? Hold on a little bit now, man. Hold on now, man. Knife Ninja, the couch where you buy, put in your house when Melissa just blew a Jamaica, and you buy a couch, put in your house. And where you get the money from? Where did that money come from? I am waiting. I am waiting. Me I wait. Tell me where that money come from. Listen to me good now, Knife Ninja. You was receiving money on the behalf of Colaz Smith from people overseas. Many of the time that you get money, Colaz don't even know that you get the money. Walk away from trouble if you can. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Eh? Many of the time they send you money. Colaz don't know nothing about it. But Knife Ninja, let me ask you this. How did Colaz know that these people send you money? Whoa, trouble again. Knife Ninja getting nervous. Eh? Knife Ninja, how did Colaz know that these money was sent to you? Stretch. Eh? How did Colaz know that these money? Mark, you know, me and Colaz never talk yet, you know. How did Colaz Smith know that These people send you money, but he didn't get the money. Him never get the money. You never tell him say you get the money. How did that happen? What did happen? And where the money there? All right, let me help you out. Didn't you know that those people didn't get a reply back from Colaz Smith saying that he received the money? So those people who send the money to you was worried and was complaining that Colaz Smith did not even reply to say thank you or nothing. So guess what they did? They contact Colaz Smith. They contact Colaz Smith. Marking the people. Colaz Smith can tell any of you that he didn't talk to me. He never talked to me yet. Away from him, send me a few comment on my comment section. Those people contact Colaz Smith to say, we send the money and we don't know if you get the money. Listen to me good. And this is the man you are fighting down. Colaz Smith would tell those people, yes, because they send even screenshot of the receipts. Colaz would say, yes, 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 covering for your little teeth in us. Colaz would lie to those people for his friend. When Colaz asks you about the money, as a matter of fact, hold on, I don't know. I don't recall if Colaz ever asks you about the money. Yeah, me don't know that part. Yeah, I hold on, take back that part. I don't know that part because that part I never know. However, when you give Colaz the money, Colaz know that the money short. Because the money that Colaz know that should come to him from you, you did not give Colaz that money. You use it by couch, you use it by this, you use it by that, you take some of it when the money wasn't for you. Colaz never said nothing. Colaz never beat you up. Colaz never do much. My viewers and subscribers, why you believe the cooking was kind of because Colaz lose the trust that Colaz have in you. You imagine your friend give you an opportunity to show him how trustworthy you are. And what you did, you take money, you make money, make it a serious problem. Because at that point, Colaz can't trust you anymore. Colaz cannot trust you anymore with nothing. Colaz still deal with you. Colaz still a deal with you. Now, my viewers and subscribers, it get even worse. You all hear Andre say he was calling, trying to get with Colaz. Whisper even say the same thing. Andre, I try to get with Colaz, I try to get to Colaz, I try to no Colaz. That's the reason why Colaz wasn't too paying your mind. That's the reason why Colaz didn't really want to answer you. Guys, if you hear Colaz say that Andre calling him and talking about things that he don't want to talk about, exactly. Colaz didn't want to talk to you about nothing because guess what? You thief the money. So, Andre, your mother say you don't know what she don't know what happened. But let me say this to Andre mother. No disrespect to you. I won't rude to you. I won't say nothing to you. But us as parents, Jamaican parents, we have a problem. And the problem we have is we see we kids, we see we pitney with a whole heap of money, with something new, and we not ask them where they get it from. If you as a mother, well, I don't think you as a mother at the time can ask him that because he's a big grown man. But you see him with a lot of money. I don't know if you see him with it and see him buy all kind of things. That money was the money that was supposed to be going to Colaz Smith. But Henry take it, living like king, acting like king. But at the same time, Henry is saying, wow, is this the kind of money Colaz Smith is really getting from these people? Now, hear this part. You hear Henry say he's calling Colaz Smith before he go to Trinidad. Listen to the plan. Colaz is avoiding Henry, but Henry's plan is to borrow what, 270? Henry's plan was to borrow $200,000 or $270,000 from Colaz Smith. But the plan was not just to borrow the money and pay him back. The plan was to borrow the money and never to pay back Colaz Smith the money, because he knew that this is the last of it, because he realized that Colaz is avoiding him and he knows why. Henry, you know why Colaz is avoiding you. So you now trying to get a last big money out of Colaz Smith to go on your way. Why are you so wicked? Why are you so wicked? You have a friend. Yes, you know a friend. And I go say something to you, Henry. Remember that you said Colaz and Wolan, Whisper also said it too. Remember you, Henry, say Colaz shouldn't have helped the youth them down there like how I help them, because you and him grew up like that. So where them I get, you should not get it. Remember, say a desert I come from. So when you say me no know you, me know more than you think. Me know more than you think. So that's the reason why you and Colaz is at odd, because your thief, the money you thief a woolly bite. Colaz not say nothing to you. You believe say Colaz no know. But Colaz know, because you never really realize say Colaz are write down everything. You never know say the people them a contact Colaz and ask Colaz about it. Now, this is the thing. This is the problem, yeah? I'm going to say this to you. You see, when people send money to a person, you have to remember that you have the receipt. Normally, when you send money to people, they would contact you back and say, I get it. Thank you very much. That's what happened when people send you money from foreign. Nobody now send me money because everybody think me rich. Meanwhile, me broke, I'm poor, me not have money. But me just not like ask people for nothing at all, because me no want nobody take it tell me. That's the thing. Yes. Me no want nobody take it tell me, because people are hell to take money and tell you, oh, me give you this, me give you. Yeah, me no like it, brother. Me no like it at all. It is sad that people do that, but people do it. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, that's the main reason why Colaz Smith and Knife Ninja is at odds. It's not different. Colaz Smith put him trust in him. Colaz Smith put him trust in a Knife Ninja to collect money from Western Union on the behalf of him and his team. Knife Ninja is a part of the team. And if you're going to have a team and you cannot trust somebody who is close to you to collect money for you under your name, who can you trust? Who can you trust? If you cannot trust that person, who can you trust? Just sit down and think about that. Just sit and think about that. If you cannot trust your friend that you believe in, a person who you put to do something for you, to say, do this for me. If you cannot trust that person, then who can you trust? Let us talk about it. If you cannot trust a person who you say is your brother, a person who call your brother, a person who you grow up with, a person who you believe that should have your back, then who can you trust? Knife Ninja, you make it bad. You make it bad. And to be honest with you, guys, this video may be the last video I will even make about this whole thing. Because to be honest with you, it doesn't make no sense. And rest in peace to the YouTuber guy where do the food eating thing where people can go and eat food. Him drop out. Not really drop out. Somebody take him 3 pints. And sometimes I want me say something and don't realize how far it can go. And to be honest with you, me personally don't want to be a part of what caused those kind of problems. Yeah? I don't want to be a part of what caused those problems and those issues. But right now, also, I'm going to say this. Well, also, me I go say this. Knife Ninja, you make yourself look small too. And the reason why you make yourself look small is you say you and Colaz are brother. You and Colaz fall out. And look where you go and do an interview where a person is doing everything to try to cancel Colaz channel. That means you will do anything or everything to cancel Colaz also. You say Colaz whole thing is like a cult because Colaz do nothing wrong. I hear your mother say the same thing too. Colaz can't do nothing wrong. But at the same time, nobody is saying Colaz can't do nothing wrong. Colaz, so far, listen to me, Colaz know who I am in. Colaz know how me operate. Say, I make video already saying that Colaz not doing the thing right. Yeah. And me personally, me not afraid. Because guess what? Me no near my people yard. Yeah. I do not eat a people yard. So the thing is, if I see something, I go talk about it. If I don't feel like talk about it, I go left it alone. If I feel like I should talk about it, then I go talk about it. I can talk to a person about something, but I don't put it on camera. When I talk to anybody about something, if that person is not talking, then I stop talking because I cannot be talking to a brick wall. So if I have an opinion and my opinion is A, I'm going to talk to a person. And when I talk to that person, if that person don't have any opinion about it, whether good or bad, I leave it alone. So if you understand what me I say, let me help you out. The real Jamaican way. No one man, no one woman, no chat nobody. You as a one man or a one woman cannot chat another person with it. Did I say it right? Oh, hold on. If you come to me and tell me, say, that somebody they say me I read, me want to know what you say. So let's say you come to me and you say, hey, Rodney, that man they say you I read. Me want to know what did you say? Did you say yes in I read? Or did you say no in I not read? Ah. So no two people So, me not going on that. Let that go. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, that was the main reason why Colaz and Knife Ninja is in a war. And there's more. But sometimes it's not everything you say all at once. I go left some of it for another video. And I may not even come back and say A or B about it either. I may leave it right which party there. What I know else, I may leave it right which party there. I may not say another word about it, but I just want Knife Ninja to know that Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV, know about you and your thieving style and your love money style, and that love money thieving style have you and your friend in problem, in trouble. Guys, before I go, you see, taking money from people is an issue and will be a problem. Worse when, if somebody send you money to give to somebody, it is more important if you go to that person and you say, look, I get this amount. Can I borrow some out of it? But what you did was different because they send the money to you to give to Colaz Smith. You never give Colaz Smith the money. You give him some, but you didn't give him all the money. Then when they ask Colaz about the money, Colaz answer. Yes, Colaz answer. But did Colaz answer correct? Or Colaz cover for you? Knowingly that you didn't give him all that money. And the wickedness about it is you know that you did not give Colaz all that money. You know that. You didn't give Colaz all that money, but yet still, you have problem with Colaz Smith. And you know that you did the man wrong. Oh, you wicked soul. Knife Ninja, oh, you wicked soul. But Knife Ninja, I'm going to say this to you, say, I hope you look back in yourself and realize in yourself where you went wrong. I hope you sit back and at least acknowledge that you were wrong. And you see me, Knife Ninja, you see when me wrong, me not afraid to come out, come say me wrong. Me not afraid to come out and say, I am wrong. I was wrong to do that. No, me not afraid to do that. You know why? Because me have a heart, me have ambition. We do things sometimes where unexpected, or we in a situation where we need help. And if we're in a situation where we need help and some money now we and we decide to scratch your head and you say, boy, you know, say me I go use some of the money and buy a couch because my couch mash up. Me I go contact my friend and me I go say, yo, my friend, you know, say, me get that money, you know, and I fit do this, you know. So here I go on. Me I go borrow some of it and buy a couch because my couch mash up. Simple. And guys, before me go, every minute me I say before me go. If you notice, if Colaz Smith asks you, Knife Ninja, to collect money, right around Melissa time you call Colaz and you not get him. Colaz name have you there with him, pan the truck, and do all of them something. So guys, read through the lines. A lot of you out there watch every single Colaz video from the T. So you all will know what me I talk about. But my viewers and subscribers, that is what me I feel. today, this morning. So, no watch no face, enough respect. I'm out. And that's part one of how and why Colaz Smith and Knife Ninja is at war. Because of the Melissa money where Knife Ninja took and did not tell Colaz about the money that he get from those people overseas. With that said, I'm out.